Today we're going to be reviewing another custom lift assist application by PowerBuilt. This particular set of assist is for the door removal process for an automotive OEM on their final assembly line. We have two front door removal assist and two rear door removal assist. The general functionality between them is the same. There are 4 different models accommodated by this particular assist, 2 different model settings just due to model commonality. So we have basically a sedan mode, which we're in now that I've pressed that button, which shrinks up our clamping distance. And then we have an SUV mode due to the size of the door being larger. We don't want that over travel in there for that particular car mode. So lifting mechanism for this is a dual parallel arm PowerBuilt custom product. Comes out of our standard library though. As far as the custom tooling and portion of this, that is all custom and specific to the particular application. So general functionality of this tool, you have the ability to tilt forward. You have an air cylinder that gives you that. The lifting is all 0G, so meaning that it's operator force to push it up or pull it down. We also do have what's called an upward bias, so when they do come over, they have the ability, if they want, to use push button controls for the up, and then you're right back into 0G controls as well. We have rotational brakes on this assistant. In addition to that, so once you're out of the car interference zone, you're able to lock on your rotational brakes, which lock us out here at the end of arm knuckle, and as well as at your carriage. As far as clamp and unclamp go, we have 2-hand anti-tie down for that. So common clamp actuates the end tooling up. Common unclamp releases the tooling. And again, for model change, we can open up that stroke distance on our end tooling by a press of a button. Same thing, common clamp, common unclamp. All contact points are non-marring UHMW. In addition to that, we do have safety guarding just to protect the SMC air cylinders, but again, we don't want that to become a mutilation point, so we do have UHMW here on this particular face as well to help avoid any mutilation. And then finally, here's our part present switch. So we bypass that for the sake of today's show and tell, but you wouldn't be able to clamp unless you had that part present met. So I appreciate you guys taking the time, taking a listen. Another custom innovative solution by PowerBuilt. Thanks.